Hi, welcome back to LeetCode. So in this video, I am going to discuss LeetCode problem 3517, smallest palindromic rearrangement 1. So the problem statement is that you are given a palindromic string S, okay. So we have to return the lexicographically smallest palindromic permutation of string S. So what is first of all, we have to know about the palindrome. Palindrome means what? So whatever the string actually, if we read from the forward, from left to right, if we read from the right to left, both are actually, suppose this is the input string ABA. So if I read from AB to left to right, so what will be the string I will get character by character, first A, then B, then A. If I read from right to left, then first I will get A, then B, then A. So you can see that both are actually same. So I will say that this is actually palindromic string. This is a palindrome. Okay. Now, what is the lexicographically smallest? So we have written a lexicographically smallest palindrome string. Now, suppose we have string ABC and another is BAC. So we have to compare this actually, which actually lexicographically smaller. Okay, so first of all, if I go to left to right, both the string, first I will get here actually first character is A, here is B. So this is actually different. Whenever I found any different conflict or different characters, so I will see that who is actually smaller. So in dictionary order, A will first come first, then B. So I will say that this is actually smaller. So ABC will be smaller than BAC. Got it? What is lexically smaller string is possible? So we have to return the lexically smallest. Suppose we have an input string of palindrome. This is guaranteed. This will be palindrome. So suppose we actually have A, B, B, A. Okay. So what is the possible palindrome string actually I can actually generate from this input string? So this is actually I can generate A, B, B, A. This is one possible. Then another is B, A, B. Both are, this is also a palindrome, because if I read from left to right, this will be B, A, B. And if I read from right to left, I will get B, A, B. Both are actually equal. So that's why this is a palindrome. Any other possible? No. So I can generate only these two palindromic string. Now we have to return the smallest. Which actually is smallest out of this these two palindromic string. So you can see that first, if I go to left to right, first I will get A. Here I got B. So A is less than B. So I will say that this is actually smaller. So I have to return A, B, B, A. So for this example, it will be our answer will be A, B, B, A. Now one thing for palindrome, one thing what actually I can actually observe. Suppose we actually have A, B, A. This is actually palindrome. Yes, correct. Now A, B, B, A. This is also palindrome. A, B, C, A. This is a palindrome. No. Why? Because if I this is from left to right, and if I read from right to left, what will get? A, C, B, A. You can see that A, okay, next is B, but here it is C. So there is conflict, different. So this is not a palindrome. Correct. Now one thing what actually I can actually observe. So what is the string actually present? Suppose X, Y, Z, that should be present in the reverse order Z, Y, X. Then actually it will be actually palindrome. So if suppose X, Y, Z, then I actually have Z, Y, X. Okay. Now left to right is this in this sequence will be this, and if I read from the right to left, what will be the sequence? X, Y, Z, then it will be Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X. Correct. If I go to from right to left, so you can see that both are actually same. These two are actually same. So if there is any uh, character that is present as event times, so that is actually palindrome. You can see that A here actually present once, in the end also it is present only once. Okay, suppose A is present here twice, here also A should be present twice, right? Now when actually I can get the minimum or the smallest lexicographically order. So suppose actually have A actually present twice, B actually have twice. So for this example, you can see that for this example A, B, B, A, I also have this combination also. But if I place the B first, then actually getting the it is greater, because I actually have A. So I should try to place A first, then actually I will try to place B. Correct? So that's why I will actually place the character in sorted order. first A, then if it is present B, then I will place B, then if it is present, if C is present, then I will place C. In this way, first I will then actually place D. Okay, in this way I will go to Z. Correct? This is clear. How to get this lexicographically smallest. Now this is for even case. I have to place the two character at the front, at the end also. Correct? So for this example, A is present twice, B is present twice. So I should present A. First I will place A, and A at the end also we should place A, and B then B. Then also before that we have to place B. So what actually ultimately doing? So first of all, actually generating this A, B, this part. Then I will actually add this as a reverse order. This is for even case. Now if there is any odd character present only odd times. So suppose A is present twice, B is present twice, C is present only once. Okay. Now what will be the smallest? First I will try to place A. So this is for even. So I will place one A here, at the end also one A, and next is smallest character is B. So I will place one B here and one B here. Next is only C present. So C should be placed at the mid. Correct? Because there is no option. Now this is clear. Why? Because if there is another more character that actually odd times, suppose D is also present only once, so this will be palindrome. No, but they actually mention that only one maximum, at most one character will be present odd times, maximum one, because they have already whatever the input string, that will be also a valid palindrome, right? So more than one odd character not possible in palindrome. Correct? So this is clear. Now what I'll do, first of all I will count how many A is present, how many B is present, how many C is present, XYZ. In this way actually I will calculate for each character. Okay. Now what we'll do, first I have explained why actually first try to place A, then I will try to place B, then I will try to place C, because it will actually give us the smallest palindromic string. Got it? So let's take an example. Suppose A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D, then A. Okay. So first of all count A. How many actually A is present? A is present 4, B is present 2 times, C is present 2 times, D also present 2 times. So how can you place? First of all, A actually I have 4. So this actually even. So I will place 2A first and 2A at the end, at the last. So that's why I will place 2A first. Okay. Now next is B is present as 2 times. So one B will place here and one B will place here at the end. Next is C is present twice. So one C will be present here, one C will be placed here. Next is D is present twice. So one D will be present here, one D will be present here. What? So this is actually the first, and mid will be if there is any odd character, and this is for the end. Correct? This is clear. So ultimately what to do, I will generate the first and the mid if there is any odd character. So first of all I will check what is the count for the current character. So half will be placed as the front, and then half will be placed at the end. So you can say that for A the count is 4. So 4 by 2, 2A will be placed at the front and 2A will be placed at the end. Clear? So this is clear. Now go to the code, so that will be more clear. So first of all I have taken a map to count the frequency of each character. So I'm iterating the input string S and I'm increasing the frequency of each character by 1. Map of I particular character I am increasing by 1. Now I have written an answer, and both actually empty and mid for the if there is any odd character, odd times. So that I have to place at the middle. So that's why I have taken another string. Sorry. Okay. Now I am iterating the map. So this is a sorted map by default. So first I will get the character A, then I will character B in this way. So I'll check that the current frequency of this current character, it is odd or even. If it is even, that means the modulo of 2 it will be 0. This is for even. Okay, now what we'll do, so I have to place half character at the front and half character at the end. So I'll count the what is the number of times I have to place at the front. So that will be the count I dot second by 2. That many times the character will be placed at the front. So that's why this many times while k minus minus I will place at the front. This answer is the character storing the character that should be placed at the front. Okay, so I'm that many times actually I'm adding the this character current character. Okay, k times. Now for this, so for this example I have seen, so in our answer currently I actually have, after this current character a, I actually have a two times a, because I have actually frequency is 4 and this is actually even, so it will comes to the insert into the this if block. Now else if what, this actually do not need to check that mid is empty or not, because they will ensure that only at most one character will be the odd times. So but still I'm checking that this is empty or not. If it is empty, so what will do, this is actually the for odd time, whatever the character is present odd times. So what to do, suppose this is present 5 times, suppose b is present 5 times, so 2b will be placed at the front, 2b will be placed at the end, and 1b will be at the mid, correct? So that's why what will be the frequency to place at the front, that will be 5 by 2, so it will be 2, so 2 times b will be placed at the front and 1 times b will be placed at the mid. So you can see that, so that's why I'm just count the k will be what are the frequency by 2, and the mid will be also populated with this current character b, and this many times I will place the b at the front, so answer will store the front, so I'll place the b. So after this operation answer will be have, first it will have 2 times a, then here is 2 times b, and mid I actually have b, correct? Now suppose I do not have any other character, so I will this for loop will be break now. So what will be the ultimate answer? So ultimate answer will be a b b, this mid b, then b b a. So I have to generate this reverse string, so that's why I have taken a temporary string which is the same as this string. Okay, then if I reverse this string, then I will get the ultimately this string, correct? So that's why I have taken a temporary string temp which is equal to the answer the front, and I am just reverse the string, this temp string, and I actually add this. How the answer the front, the if there is no mid, there is no odd character, so this will be empty, and the end string, that will be the reverse string of the front. Got it? And I have written here from here. Got it? I hope this is clear for you, and if you like the explanation, please like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe channel. Thank you. And if you have any suggestion, any comment, you can also comment on that. Thank you.